Good day, viewers. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped. Question number 14. We are to write the set A is given to be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in a set builder form. So option is given. If you can check your manual, because of space, I will not write it. A is given to be x is equal to n. B is given to be x is equal to n square. C is given to be x is equal to 2n square. Then D is given to be x is equal to, is it n raised to power 4? Yeah, n raised to power 4. Then the last one is NDE is equal to x into cube. Sorry, this one is cube and this one is square. So we are to write the set in a set builder form, the set given. Remember that it is 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. So, okay, what if x is equal to 1? Let's start with this one. X is equal to n. If I put in 1 here, I have my 1. If I put in 2, there is no 2 here. When x is equal to 3, it does not correspond with this given set. So we move to b. When we move to b, b is equal to x cubed. So when I put in 1 raised to power 3, I have 1. The thing right with this. I fix in my 2. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Remember that the next number should be 4, not 8. If I put it 3 raised to power 3 is what? Is 27. So it does not rhyme with 149. We are looking for something that will rhyme with all these sets given. So we move to the next one, which is 2n squared. If I substitute 1 raised to power 1 is 1 times 2, which is 2. It does not rhyme with this. We move to D. N raised to power 4. 1 raised to power 4 is 1. So 2 raised to power 4 is 16. It does not rhyme with this. It should be 149. So we move to E. X is equal to 9 raised to power 2. So 1 raised to power 2, 1. 2 raised to power 2, 4. 3 raised to power 2, 9. 4 raised to power 2, 16. 5 raised to power 2, 25. It corresponds with this set builder form. E corresponds with the set builder form. So the final answer is the last option they given. So E is the correct option. So let's move to the next one. A is given to be minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Find its, let A is equal to this, find its subset, each of which contain 3 elements. If I close this one now, I have 0, 1, and 2, right? I close my 0. When I close my 0, I have minus 1, 1, and 2. I close my 0. So let me leave my 0 now. If I close my 1 now, I close this one. So what we have there is minus 1, 0, and 2. I close the last one, 2. If I close the last one, these 2, I have minus 1, 0, and 1. So we have the 4. We have 4. So they say that we should choose 3. So you choose the one that have the correct option. It should be, check your option, it should be B. You choose 3 out of this. You see in your own option, that is the correct option. It should be B. When you close this, I have my 0, 1, 2. I close my 0. I have minus 1, 1, and 2. I close my 1. I have minus 1, 0, and 2. I close the last one, 2, and we have this. That is the correct option. We move to 16. We move to 16. Question 16. Question 16 says, given that 17 is equal to, C is equal to 17, 18, 19, dot, 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 5325, 5326. Find the this, they call it absolute value of C sometimes. So this is equal to the last term minus the first term plus 1. So now my first term day, look at my first term day is 17. first term, and the last term is 536. 500, okay, 5,326 minus, that is my last name. We check the set given. The last digit there is 5326. Then my first digit there is 17 plus 1. So when you solve this minus this, 5326 minus 17, you have 5309 plus 1, you have 5,310, and you choose your correct option there. Very simple. Last name minus first name plus 1, you have your final solution. So let's move to the next digit. 17. Next number, 17. 17 is, which of the following set is equal? I'm not sure there is correct option there. 17 is, we have x squared minus 4 is equal to 0, and we also have 2 comma minus 4. These sets are not equal, this set, because if I bring out this minus 4 is equal to 0, and I bring this guy to this side, it will be x squared is equal to positive 4. If I want to take the square root of both sides, this is mathematics, taking the square root of both sides, this cancel, and we have x is equal to positive and negative 2. So that means that x is 2. That means that x is 2 and x is minus 2. So it does not rhyme with this. What I mean by equal set is, if x is given to be a, b, c, for this set to be equal, y can be b, c, a. This set is equal because it contains the same members. That's what we mean by equal set. So this is 2 and minus y, whereas this one is 2 and minus 4. That option A is not equal. So we can move to option B. Although to me there is no option here, correct option, but I'll figure out things and I'll show you. B is 1 comma 2 b. This set is not equal because it does not contain the same number of elements, the same numbers of this element inside. This is 1ab, whereas we have this one ab, supposed to be 1ab also. So this one is not equal. And C, we have a, b, c, and we also have this one 1ab. This is not equal because this one is abc and this one is 1ab. So you need to contain the same number of members. If we have 5 girls in this room and we also have 5 girls in the other room, the sets are equal. But if we have 5 girls here and we have 5 boys in the other room, that means that the set is equivalent. So there is a difference between, that is the difference between an equal set and equivalent set. So we move to the last one, C. D. D is given to be C, A, T, G, C, T. And this one is given to be T, R, A, C, T. Have you seen? Now, this set is supposed to be equal. Let me tell you something. Irrespective of what is given in a set, whether it is 1, 1, A, B, B, C, C, we don't consider odds, because in a set, in a given set, we only consider one element, one members. We don't avoid repetition in set. For example, 1, 1 is just 1, A is just A, B, B is just B, and C, C is just C. We don't have C, C, B, B. Even if they give you an exam, just know that in a normal set, we don't have anything like repetition. We don't have in set. So when we have that kind of a thing in the equation given, we just know that all the repeated element or all the repeated members is being counted as 1, just like it we have here. 1, 1 is 1, A is A, irrespective of what is given. The reason I'm saying that is because of this our number set. So sorry, number D. So remember that C, it can be counted as just C, and A, we have T, we have G. 1, 2, 3, 4. This set supposed to be equal. This set supposed to be equal set. If here was R, if peradventure this place given as G, I can boldly say that the mistake is from the typist. That if peradventure here was R, this set and this set will be equal, assuming it was R. But here is G. This answer should be D, if only if this place that is given as G is R. So now this place is supposed to be equal set because we have T here, we have R here, we have A here, we have C, and we also have T. But remember that 2 elements, 3, 4, 5, 6 is counted as 1. Don't mind this place. This place is also wrong because 2 element is counted as 1. So what if we have something like this? This and this will be equal set because it contains the same elements inside, not different element. It contains the same elements inside. So the answer supposed to be D. If only if here is given to be R, but the mistake is from the typist, not from the lecturer. So the correct option should be D, can be D, if only if this place is R. That is it. So in a scenario like this, what should we do? In a scenario like this, what should we do? The answer should be D, if only if here is R and T is counted as 1. So there is no option in number 17. There's no correct option. We move to the next number.